In this slide, we can see some of the cell surface projections like cilia, stereocilia, and microvilli. So first we will study the cilia. So cilia are hair-like projections from the free surface of the cell. If we see the parts of cilia, it has a free part. So this free part is known as shaft, and the part which is attached to the free surface of the cell is known as base. It is about 0.25 micrometer in diameter. So the cilia has got outer covering of cell membrane and the inner core is known as exonym, and these cilia are present in the respiratory tract, uterine tubes, and spermatozoa through male genital tracts. And the function, these cilia are motile, and their function is the movement of cilia lining respiratory epithelium help to move the secretions from trachea and bronchi towards the pharynx. Other such modification like cilia is the flagella. Flagella is the tail of spermatozoa. It differs from cilia in movement. We have seen the cilia has got coordinated movement which produces wave-like action, whereas in flagella the base bends in one direction and succeeding segments will move in opposite direction. Then the next modification is microvilli. So we can see the finger-like projections from the cell surface. These increase the surface area and they are mainly meant for absorption purpose. So these finger-like projections have outer covering of plasma membrane, and there is a cytoplasmic core which has actin filaments or microfilaments in them. So these are present in the small intestine which forms striated border. Regular uniform striations are seen in small intestine, whereas in gallbladder these are not regularly arranged, so it forms brush border. Other modification of microvilli is stereocilia. Though it is known as cilia, it is not a cilia, it is modified microvilli. Stereo means static, cilia, so it is static in nature, it does not move, and these stereocilia are modified microvilli. They are seen in the receptor cells of the internal ear, and they are also seen in the epithelium of epididymis. In some cells, the cell membrane over the basal or lateral aspect of the cell shows deep folds. They are known as basolateral folds. They will also increase the surface area. Now, the cilia, apart from respiratory tract, uterine tube, they are also seen in the mucosa of nose. They are known as olfactory cilia. They have receptors for smell, and in the internal ear they are known as kinocilia. Thus, in this slide we have seen three cell surface projection. The first is cilia. So these are hair-like projections about 0.25 micrometer, 0.25 micrometer in diameter, and the stereocilia, these are immotile modified microvilli mainly seen in epididymis and internal ear, whereas microvilli are abundantly found in small intestine. These are finger-like projections which increase the surface area and they are meant for absorption purpose. In this diagram, we can see the structure of cilia. So this is the cut section of the cilia. Here we can see a central pair of microtubule. So this is central pair of tubule, whereas there are 9 pairs of peripheral microtubules. So these are 9 pairs of peripheral microtubules. They are attached with the central tubule radially, so it gives it spoke wheel like appearance. And here also we can see this is the shaft of cilia, this is the base of cilia. Centrally there is the central tubule which will move up to the tip of the cilia. So over the tip we have only central microtubule. In the shaft it is surrounded by 9 pairs of peripheral microtubules. So this cilia has got clinical significance. If these cilia are not mobile, if they become immotile, then the secretions from the respiratory passage over which it is lining, the secretions will not be removed, and this will lead to severe chest infections. In affected females, as it is lining the uterine tubes, the females will be sterile as the movement of ova along the uterine tube is affected. In the males, it is present in the tail of the spermatozoa. It is known as flagella. So the males will also be sterile due to interference in the motility of sperm. Then there is one syndrome known as Cartegner syndrome. So it is a genetic disorder. It is autosomal recessive genetic defect of cilia with a triad of situs inversus, chronic sinusitis, and bronchiectasis. This slide provides a brief note on various cell surface projection. So the microvilli, stereocilia and cilia, their characters are depicted in this slide.